Hey guys! Today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool that will change your social media game forever. If you are a social media marketer or simply someone who creates a lot of posts, you know the struggles you have to come up with content, do graphic designing, find suitable images and all that to get a good looking post. What if I told you one AI tool can do all these and produce an entire social media post just from your text? Yes. Just describe the post you want and watch AI create a stunning social media post for you. Amazing, right? This will save you a lot of time and effort, and the best part, it's free to use. So without wasting any time, let's get into it and see how it works. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to the site. So we get started. Click here. It'll ask you to sign up. I'll choose Google and select my account. Now here choose the type of force that you have in your mind. It can be business, meme, e-commerce or anything. I'm going to create a custom one. So let's select this. And here select what your post is about. And enter the title for your post. Now this tool lets you create a single image post, slides or even a video post. I'm going to select this one for now and we'll check out video posts later in this video. Now click Generate Post and there you go. We have got our post. It has relevant content images and we even have a caption for the post. Impressive, right? Now to have a better look at it, just click on the post. Alright, now here you can see we also have different designs to choose from. If you click on it you'll get a new design for the post. Looks good right now. The best part is you can also edit anything about the post. Say you want to change the text, so just select it and enter what you want. It's easy. If you want to change the image, just select it. Go to Media. And here you'll find a lot of stock images to choose from. You can also go here and search for the image you want. Select an image and it will be added to your post. Now if you want to upload your own image, you can use this option. Okay. Now to publish this post, just click Share. And you can see Instagram is selected. Now there are other social media here. So if you want to publish on any of these, you can click on it and connect your account. I have already connected to my Instagram. So to publish the post here, you can schedule when you want to post and click Publish Now. And if each post. Next, let's try creating a video post and see how good it is. Just go back to Pre-Disc. Click Create New. Now like we did before, you can select the type of post you want, just like the topic, and give a title. This time let's select Video. And here you can see the length of the video. I'll leave it at 30 seconds. And click Generate Post. There you go. We have got a video. Let's play. It looks great, right? It has added content, animation, images and music. Okay. And here you can see all the slides in the video. Now you can go ahead and edit the post if you want. Say you want to change the text. So just select it and enter your text. If you want to change any footage, just select it. Go to Media and click Videos. Here you have different stock footages. Just select one and it'll be added. Now you can also change the audio of the post. Just go here. Play out any music. And if you click here, it'll be added to the post. Now let's see how it has turned out. Click Play. All. Looks amazing, right? Now to publish the post like we did before, just click Share and you can schedule it here. Now click here and click Publish. That's all. Let's go back now. As you know, we directly published the posts from this tool to our social media. But what if you want to download your post first and then publish it on different platforms later? In that case you can use this option to download it. So if you click here, you can see it says this option is not available in the free version. So let's close this. If you go here, you will find the subscription plans. You can choose the plan you want and then purchase it. Okay. So that's it, guys. This is how you can quickly create social media posts using ad. Hope you found this video useful and make sure to like, share and subscribe to see more videos from us. So until next time.